Hello friends, welcome to Ujval Cooking Show. If you are visiting my channel for the first time, please subscribe by clicking the red subscribe button below and bell icon for further notifications. Today we'll do cheesy garlic breadsticks, which is favorite for everyone in the house. Let's see how to do these cheesy bites. In a mixing bowl, I am taking 1 cup of all-purpose flour. For this, let's first mix all the dry ingredients. This is mixed Italian herbs. Then goes 1 teaspoon or 3/4 teaspoon of sugar. Then 3/4 teaspoon of salt. Let's put 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Next, we are going to put 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. Now, let's mix the dry ingredients. Next comes all the wet ingredients. First goes oil. I am going to put here 2 tablespoons of oil. Mix the oil well. Let me mix it with the hands now so that they go well with each other and it spreads everywhere in the flour. Now I am putting 1/4 cup of curd. Mix it well. Now we are going to put water little at a time and make it a nice dough. Knead it nicely for 1 minute, 1 to 2 minutes. Now let's cover it and keep it for rest for up to 1 hour. When the dough is getting rested, let's make the stuffing. I am taking here butter. For the butter, I am putting some shredded garlic, or you can finely chop the garlic too. Now I am putting the Italian herbs, some chili flakes, and this is totally optional. If kids are eating it, you can avoid it. Let's mix them all together. Now the mix is ready. After an hour, now I am going to take the dough, dust some all-purpose flour on the place where you are going to roll the atta or the dough. Let's roll it to the size of a chapati. Let it be not so very thin like a chapati, medium thin. We should roll it. Now it's ready. Let's put the mix or the stuffing inside, all over, everywhere. Now let me put some cilantro or coriander finely chopped. Now I am putting some cheese. I have the shredded cheese ready, shredded cheese. Now I am putting some more Italian herbs for the nice taste. Let's fold it and press it in the sides nicely so that it doesn't open. Now I am keeping it in the baking tray. Let's put some more garlic paste, garlic and butter paste on the top. Now I am going to cut it beforehand, otherwise it will not come good if you cut it later after baking it. Now my kids are waiting here to have this. Now you can put some more chili flakes if desired. Let's keep it in the preheated oven for 380 Fahrenheit for up to 20 to 25 minutes or until it becomes the golden in color. Our garlic bread is ready here. Let's serve it with the sauce or marinara sauce. Let me cut one of it. Let's see how it is. So cheesy. Yummy. See the stuffing inside? It looks yummy, right? Thank you. Enjoy this bread with your family and friends.